Hello everyone. So friends, in our last lecture we saw that how we can check that whether a given string is a palindrome or not. We saw the algorithm using an animation. So in this lecture we'll actually code the algorithm and we'll test its working in main method. So here I will be creating one method as public, and as we want to check whether a given string is a palindrome or not, the method which we are creating should return a boolean value that whether a given string is palindrome or not. We also provide the method name as is palindrome, and into this method we provide a string. Let's say we give the name to it as word. So friends, here we are not seeing any edge cases. So in order to check whether the given string is a palindrome or not, what we do is we first convert this string to a character array. By using the method provided in string class as toCharArray. So this method returns a character array. So whatever the characters are stored in this string, it will be now in form of an array where each index will store one character. Also friends, in last lecture we discussed that we are using two pointers to check whether the string is palindrome or not. So one pointer will start from the beginning. So to start we are providing a value as 0. Another pointer will start from the end, and to this we provide the value as word.length -1. So word.length -1 will give us the last index. So friends, now we'll start comparing each character at start and end index. So we'll provide a while loop and we'll iterate in this while loop till start is less than end. So inside this while loop, the first step we do is we check that whether character at start index is equal to character at end index. So if they are not equal, then we can straight away come to know that string is not a palindrome. So here we'll simply return false, because as we are starting comparing first index with the last index, to make string palindrome, those two characters should be equal, and if they are not, then we can simply return false. So friend, after doing this first comparison, what we do is we move start a step ahead and we move end a step backward, so that after comparing this, we compare the second character with the second last character, then third character with third last character, and similarly till start meets end, because we are incrementing start and decrementing end. Also friends, here you can see that when the value of start will be equal to end, this while loop will terminate, and we know that inside this while loop we never got any chance that character at start is not equal to character at end. So therefore, once while loop terminates, we can come to know that string is palindrome and will simply return true. So friends, this is the algorithm to check whether a given string is palindrome or not. So let's test its working in main method. So here we'll create instance of string_util class. And here we provide a if condition. We simply check by calling is palindrome method, and we pass the value as, let's say, madam. And if it comes out to be true, then we simply print the string is palindrome, or else we print the string is not palindrome. So friends, if I run the code now, so here you can see it printed the string is palindrome, because if we reverse madam and if we compare with the original string, they both are equal. Now friend, let's say if I provide the string as THAT, which is not a palindrome string, because if we reverse the string, we get TAHT, which is not equal to our original string. And if I run the code now, you can see it printed the string is not palindrome. So friend, in this lecture we wrote the code to check whether a given string is a palindrome or not. We tested its working in main method. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.